Alright, good morning y'all. Welcome back to Panama City. I'm Bob. Today is Tuesday, July the 28th. I got John and I got AJ fishing with me today. And we're offshore, and it's a little bit sporty. Waves are running probably 1.5 feet or so, but it's supposed to calm down. It's not too terribly bad. We're going to see if we can catch some fish, so y'all stick around. John does have a YouTube channel called Senior Adventure Seekers, so y'all should check that out. He's videoing as well this trip today. So let's see what we can catch. All right. Fish on. No slack in your line. Just reel your rod tip down. Reel it down. That's not as big a fish. Just reel. Just reel. Yeah, if you're throwing slack in the line, you're going to throw the hook out. Right, stop there. Red snapper.
Oh yeah, keep it wide.
15 inches. Quite a keeper. There's a big fish. Just watch my fish. Got it? Yeah. Okay. Big fish on light line. Pull up here. 19 3/4.
22 3/4.
19 3/4.
What's it got to be?
20.
5'11 3/4. Or 5'10 3/4, I think.
Got two on at the same time. Don't jerk. Come on, just reel. Just reel.
'em. Oh, yeah, you used that. That's that squid.
Yeah, that's what I said. You put squid on.
Yeah, I did.
Hold that for just a minute. I'll go ahead and real quick. Don't jerk. Just pull it up.
No triggerfish.
This one's only 15. Yeah, good. cool. I'm not worried about it. Real nice red snapper. 2 inches. You right at 18 inches. I'll get a picture of you with this fish.
I'll just, since it's laying there, that's just fine. Use it, whatever you got.
Okay. All right, pull them up. Oh, you're more hungry, sir. Make it do another trigger or open back. And 15 inches. Gotta get him up. You can open that box and get you another bait on.
I will in a second. Take some water.
Ice pack in there? Nice rig. Are you having fun yet?
I got a cramp back of my leg while I was reeling there. Oh, there. Oh no.
19 and a half. Giant trigger fish. That is an absolute giant trigger fish. Need a picture of it. Hold the line. That thing's probably 18, 19 inches long. Like harder than the rest of them, don't they?
Yeah, I do.
Well, I can't keep them right now. Well, pull him up. Reel him in. Come on. Don't give him any slack. Reel your rod tip down. Wrist?
We have a wrist.
Now you got limp wrist. Looks like a pretty good sized forearm to go along with. That's like that. So 18 inches, not quite a keeper. Tip up. That doesn't look like a trigger to me.
Fish on.
Big red grouper. AJ's on too.
I hope it's here. Oh, that way you get him.
He swallowed. I got a couple line on that
Come off.
That is a really nice big red grouper.
Yeah.
That's a fine movie right there. Actually, that one's 23 inches.
That about pulled me out there.
22 and 3/4. Really nice big grouper. A little red grouper. Pretty fish. Alright, we're going to call it a day. We've had a pretty good day of catching fish. We have caught a lot of fish. We've caught gag grouper, red snapper, big trigger fish. We've got a couple of red snapper to take home and got a big red grouper to take home. Had a couple of triggers that if they were in season we could have kept. Had one that was 18, 19 inches. It was big. But I appreciate these guys coming and fishing with me. I always enjoy it when I have pleasant company, and this was definitely pleasant company. So I do appreciate that. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber. Ring the bell if you want to get notified when I release new videos. I'm running charters. You see how I fish. You see what we catch. If that interests you, you can hit me up on Facebook at epicnearshorepc. You can call me on the phone. Both of those are in the description of the video. You can contact me through YouTube. Any of those things work just fine. But I appreciate it. We'll see you next time.